Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a soufflé in the microwave. First, let's gather our basic ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Also, have 1 tablespoon of butter ready. Make sure you have a microwave-safe ramekin, ideally about 4 inches in diameter, as this will be your cooking vessel. We'll start by melting that butter directly in the ramekin. Now, let's get to mixing. Carefully separate your 2 eggs, placing the whites in one bowl and the yolks in another. In the bowl with the yolks, add the milk, flour, and the melted butter from your ramekin. Whisk these ingredients together until you have a smooth, lump-free batter. In the separate bowl, beat your egg whites vigorously until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This aeration is key for a fluffy soufflé. The next step is crucial for that airy texture. Take about 1/3 of your beaten egg whites and gently fold them into the yolk mixture. This lightens the batter. Then, carefully fold in the remaining 2/3 of the egg whites until everything is just combined. Avoid overmixing. Pour the batter into your prepared ramekin. Microwave on high power for 60 to 90 seconds, keeping a close eye on it to prevent overcooking. Your microwave soufflé is complete when it's beautifully puffed up and set, without any jiggle in the center. It should be light and airy. Serve it immediately for the best experience, perhaps with a light dusting of powdered sugar or some fresh berries. It's a quick, delightful treat. And hey, while you're enjoying your delicious creation, remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.